So right here we're gonna show you how to install the Solid Launcher and download the latest version of Fabulous Optimize. Here we're gonna search the Solid Launcher first. Here, click here. And then you're gonna go scroll down until you find this one, this yellow button right here. Click this, and then you're gonna see a lot of version of Solid Launcher. Of course, you're gonna select the latest version of the Solid Launcher. It's the version is here. This is the latest version. Click this, then you're gonna download it. Then after you download the Solid Launcher, gonna show you how to download the Fabulously Optimize or install the latest version. Just gonna go click this download button. Then I'm gonna click this download mode pack, and we're gonna search Fabulously Optimize. There we go. Then I'm gonna click this first that to pop up. Then I'm gonna click the latest version. Then this is the latest version right here. Click that, and after you download the Fabulously Optimize, you can launch the game. As easy as that. So you're gonna go click this setting and go click this log output. Then we're just gonna wait. There we go. If you see the Mojang logo that pop up in your screen, you can exit the log output, then wait for the game to start. And then voila, you can play the game now with the latest version of Fabulously Optimize. Go here to the settings, and here is the mod, the better classify. The continuity is back. The continuity, because on the last version, I think the continuity has got some trouble, but it got fixed on this latest version. So that's right. That's how you install and download the Fabulously. Thank you for watching.